This was a pivotal year for the Heights girls golf team. After struggling to keep 3 girls on the team the previous year, the first goal was to generate interest and recruit ladies to play golf. The returning players led the effort and were able to convince a total of 9 girls to try out for the team. Even though there was a disparity in experience, from day one there was always a constant: attitude and effort. These 9 ladies came to practice with a great attitude and a desire to learn and get better. There were also highlights on the golf course, with sophomore Natasha Lawrence earning GWAL Honorable Mention honors for her 14th place finish in the league tournament, shooting a personal best 103. The following week, the girls ended on a strong note when Natasha missed qualifying for the state tournament by 2 shots, and freshman Riley Newman missed the state tournament by 5 shots. Coach Sander is excited for next season as they return all 9 players for next year's team. Other team members included sophomore Katie Beth Bakel, sophomore Ashley Cole, freshman Ashley Gonzalez, junior Courtney Littlejohn, freshman Haley Thompson, sophomore Allie White, freshman Rachel Zimmerman.